Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enchant your rod using the Eggy Enchant Stone in Fish It Game of Roblox New Easter Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here from the update log, there is new enchant stone which is called the Eggy Enchant Stone. And if you want to get this enchant stone, you need to go to the Easter cave. And to unlock this cave, you need to complete the Easter egg hunt quest. You can watch my previous video if you want to know how to unlock the Easter cave. Okay, go to the fishing area guys, and you need to get the enchant stone by fishing. I'm going to show you the Easter cave fish index. Okay, this is how the Eggy Enchant Stone looks like. It's a mythic item, so it's kind of difficult to catch actually. And once you catch this Eggy Enchant Stone, you need to go to a door. Wait. Okay, go to this door guys. This door will be automatically opened once you have the Eggy Enchant Stone. You can open the door and you can enchant your rod in this room, but you need to have the Eggy Enchant Stone first so you can open this door. Okay guys, and that's how you can enchant your rod using the Eggy Enchant Stone in Fish It Game of Roblox New Easter Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.